Okay, no, we will just give it a check. I will see it come through.
So everybody that passes knows that something is wrong somewhere. I don't know. You'll be like, oh, because she's big. Why is it coming out like this? Like this? Now goes in the sugar. Yeah, I know. Sweet. Stir up your vegetable oil. Just 2 cups. We just need 2 cups of warm water. 2 cups. Actually, too thick. So what I need to do is add a lot more butterscotch flavor. What you need to do is go right in. This is not really concentrated. The concentrated one, we don't need to use this much. This is the egg. I got 4 eggs in here, guys. Okay, the egg is in. What we want to grease your pan with butter of my dream. Okay, guys. So guys, this is the butter. What I need to do is drop right into it. Don't forget to do this. See? Because of what? Air bubbles. The air bubbles. First thing first, wash your hands. Clean all your ingredients. Wash all, sorry. Leave there. It's important, guys. Always sieve. Baking powder and baking soda. Thank you, guys. Whisk everything together like this. Just mix it up. We need this. house, so I had to go buy stuff for the house. I know most of my videos these days, my vlogs, are more of showing you guys what I do rather than talking or explaining what I'm doing to you guys. But I'll try to make it like in a storytelling form. So I'm going to put like inside each of the clips and then explain to you what I'm doing. But aside that, I think my Ibadan vlog has tried. It's like a whole series, which but anyways guys, thank you very much. I'm about to go and make dinner. I'm going to start a clip of my dinner for you guys and then probably charge my phone. I think my phone needs to be charged. And that's it. Thank you guys so much. Talk to you all later. Bye guys.